Are you seeing encouraging signs that disinflationary trend that Chairman Powell hoped had started? Is that process continuing?
Yes, it is, and I'm not sure why anybody doubted it. I mean, if you look at the history of inflation, it follows Newton's law. What goes up must come down. And we were at 8.9% year over year last June. We're down to 5% year over year now in March. As we track the numbers, we think we'll hit 4%, actually below 4% by June of this year. It might be like 3.8. It'll stabilize then for a while, but by the end of next year, it's going to be down to 2% year over year and falling on the CPI inflation rate. So we didn't see core inflation come down, but we did see food and energy come down, and that could feed through to lower core prices down the road. So overall, I think it's a very encouraging report. I don't know why anybody's surprised. I think we've seen this has been in the tea leaves for a long time, but hopefully the Federal Reserve pays some attention to this and realizes that inflation really is coming down.
Do you believe, David, then the Fed might be done, or at least very close to being done?
Well, the futures market is very close to this one. It was betting, about a 65 to 70% probability that they'd do one more rate hike in May before the report. After the report, those odds have come in a little bit, so I suspect it's close to a 50-50. It depends. I think if anything else goes wrong, if there's any negative sign whatsoever on the economy between now and the May 3rd report, or the May 3rd meeting, I think the Fed's done. They really should be done right now. And I think the committee itself is somewhat split. If you're somewhat split, it would kind of make sense to pause and leave yourself the option of raising rates in June. So if I had to bet today, I think they'll pause, but it's a very close call. I know they should pause, but it's a close call as to whether
David,
they will.
You mentioned